Okay, let's see how to fix our point label height in Civil 3D. These point, maybe you have setting out points of your building, your road, your pitches, anything, setting out data, or maybe you have your topographical survey points and you want to deal with your labels, point label, right? Currently, if you see, if I change my scale, 1:5,000, so you can see this label is getting changed accordingly, right? So we don't want to change this one. This is reason number one. Reason number two, if I'm right now in my layout model and I want to submit this layout model in 4 or 5 different sheets. What I mean from this one, maybe you want to submit this portion in one sheet, then second portion in another sheet, right? You want multiple sheets. But the moment you zoom in that point, for example, if I zoom in this portion, imagine this is my sheet number one. The moment I will refresh it, region, so you can see my points, my label height decreases. If I region again, you can see we don't want the Civil 3D to do this one with us, right? We want to fix our text height as you are looking in your model space right now. You want to see same text height, same label height in your layout, whatever scale you use over here, viewport scale, right? So this is very easy. Let's fix this one, right? So for this purpose, what you have to do, very first thing, click on your tool space. Okay, click on setting. Now for sure, you must be under your points and then point label because we want to deal with point label. So over here, currently we are representing over here. We have activated our point numbers right now in our as an annotation or as a label. So you want to add one expression. Right click on this one, click on new. Okay, before I go for this one, I need to check what is currently text height, what I'm looking right now on my screen. Click on this one, click one point, go to point group properties, because with this text height, we are happy, right? So this is your 0.7, as you can see. So 0.7 height is good for us. Okay, good presentation, right? Now go to your expression, right click, click on new, and I will say fixed. This is only name, right? Okay, now here you are going to add 0.70, the same text height, right? Divided by your drawing scale. That's it. That's it, right? Just click on OK. And here must be double. Click on OK. Now go to your point numbers. Click on edit. And you have your text height. You have to specify over here the one you have created right now. Okay. Just click OK. Now, another thing, you have to fix your point style as well. What I mean, go to your point style and don't let it the first one, because by default in your PC it will be use drawing scale. No, you have to say absolute. And this one time you can play with this one, and whatever you will fix this one, that's going to be fixed always. Okay, 0.75 for example. I will say no, this is a bit big. Let me make it a bit smaller. I will go here and I will say 0.5 is okay for me. Okay, so that's it. Now let me change my scale from here. Okay, now your point style and your point size and label size is okay. The difference is gap. Okay, what you can do now, No, this one, because you don't want to get disturbed, right? This gap, you don't want to have much gap, as you can see on the screen. We can fix this one also easily. Go to your level, only go to your gap, make it 0. That's it. Okay, now you change your scale once again. As you can see, your points, your point size, your label height are fixed. Now let's try in our layout. I will zoom this portion. I will region. You can see here, everything is fine, working perfectly. It's not getting disturbed, right? So this is what we wanted to fix in Civil 3D.